good evening to all of you, and this Maray Nabangi sa Indogobos in Bicol, and also magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. No? So I am from the Philippines together with Sir Edgardo. So, yes, same also with Mr. Edgardo. No? I am also part of the Ateneo de Bravo University, ADMU, and also the Lasal University Manila as professor. I've been with the academy for the past 15 years already, and I am in the field of accounting. So basically, more on accounting and financial management. Presently, I am also the PSBA Manila CPA Review Director, and at the same time, the Fresher Director. So meaning to say, I am in the field of accounting. Meaning to say, we are here in front of you, because our advocacy here is to create more certified public accountant in the Philippines. Meaning to say, we also created our own review center